I will show you how to resend your email in Outlook. Open the Outlook application. In this case, you will resend the message that you have sent. For example, right now, I want to send an email to my friend. Click New Email, then fill in the To Email section of your friend. Then fill in the subject. Fill in the message you want to send. If it has been clicked, Send. If it has been sent, then you can resend it with a new link. The way to go to Sent Items. Then select the email you just sent. Click these three dots. Go to Advanced Actions. Click Resend Message. Here you can change or add a new message. After that, you can immediately resend it. Congratulations, you have successfully resended your email.
Thanks you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure you hit subscribe button.